What's going to fill up your PayPal account faster? Dropshipping or affiliate marketing? That's what I want to talk about in this video, because they're both two completely different things, but they both make a lot of money for people. So what one is actually right for you? So you've probably seen the big trend of dropshipping online. Everyone's doing it. Everyone's trying to do it. People are failing. People are succeeding. But there's also affiliate marketing that's really, really big, and is actually tends to be a lot more passive in the long run than dropshipping. So I'm going to talk about both of these things. It's really important to talk about these. And we're going to start from kind of like the beginning to the end. So let's get started. The first thing you got to think about is how much time do you have? Because these things have a different amount of time that they need to make them successful. So for example, dropshipping, you're going to need quite a lot of time to test products, fill orders, deal with refunds and stuff like that when you first start. Now later on you can get a team on board, but when you're first starting, it's going to take you a lot of time. Now with affiliate marketing, you have a couple of options. So it depends on what you want to do. First of all, you can literally go on YouTube right now, start a YouTube channel and do a video on how to create a website and put a link in the description for an affiliate link for a hosting service, right? That doesn't take very long to do, and it literally doesn't really cost anything. It doesn't cost any money, but we'll talk about that in a second. Or you can go out and do what we call search engine optimization, and you rank websites in Google. But that can take quite a long time, 3 or 4 months before you start to see some money roll in. Drop shipping, you see the money come in a lot faster, but that it does take a lot of time to test and find winners. It can take days, it can take weeks, it could take months, or it might never even happen. So that's the one thing you've got to first figure out is how much time do you have in your day or your week or your life to actually do these two things. So drop shipping, a lot of time. However, you can go and try free stuff, get sales for free, but you're probably going to have to do search engine optimization for that anyway. So in my opinion, you probably want to steer towards affiliate marketing if you have to go and do that for other reasons, and we'll talk about that in a second. So time is the first major factor. The next thing is money. How much money do you have? Dropshipping, you're going to be looking at least minimum $500 plus after you've bought a course or whatever to start doing it. You need to do Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising isn't free. It essentially becomes free later on once you start to get money rolling in, but you're going to have some upfront cost. I know you don't pay any upfront cost on products, but advertising, you have to get some money because you have to put some money in, because if you don't, you're not going to get any traffic. Now, affiliate marketing is kind of the same. It depends. So let's say you want to do paid affiliate marketing, which is when you do CPA stuff. But that's really advanced. If you're a beginner, you don't want to mess with that, okay? You don't want to mess with CPA, any of that type of stuff. There's a lot of conversion optimization. There's a lot of money involved with that type of stuff. But if you're very, very short on money, I would recommend affiliate marketing because there's a lot less stress. So what I would recommend you do is go and learn how to do search engine optimization, rank websites and rank YouTube videos at the top. It's essentially low maintenance because there's not much time involved. It's just doing a bit of stuff after work and it slowly ranks. But the thing is, you can do most of the search engine optimization for free. You might pay 10 bucks a year for a domain name for a website, and let's say $3 a month usually for to host a website. So the cost is really, really low. And search engine optimization is free to do. If you can build the links yourself, you can rank these websites in Google yourself, and you can learn how to do pretty much all of that online. So you have to, in this video, I'm not saying one's better than the other. I'm trying to outline the pros and cons so you can decide which one is the best for you. Number one, dropshipping is going to cost you quite a bit of money to start with, but essentially you are going to make profit a lot quicker once you have that winning product. You could go from, let's say, you're $1,000 in the hole, you've put $1,000 in, you haven't made any profit, and then you hit a winner, you could make $1 million by the end of the year. With affiliate marketing, unless you're doing paid affiliate marketing, which you can do as well, but it's the same thing, you'll put a lot more in the hole before you start making money back. But if you're doing search engine optimization, to make $1 million with search engine optimization and affiliate marketing, it's going to take a very long time. But you can easily do 6 figures a year, but it just takes a longer time to get that money to start coming in. And then it's just a matter of scaling, putting money back in. So it just really comes down to what you're willing to do. Okay, so time and money is the first two major factors. Now, another factor is customer service. So you know, it really depends on what type of person you are. See, I have a team that does customer service for my dropshipping stuff, but with affiliate marketing, there's literally no customer service. You are promoting a product that the other person deals with all of that stuff, so there's a really big plus there. You literally just send the traffic. That's all you do. Dropshipping, you have to deal with a lot of stuff. So kind of, I don't mind that, but it really depends. But then again, with affiliate marketing, some people don't want to do a YouTube video. You know, I make quite a bit of money from affiliate marketing for YouTube, and the SEO stuff, I don't have to show my face. But, you know, even though you don't have to deal with customers with affiliate marketing, sometimes if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing on like YouTube and stuff, you have to show your face. Well, you don't have to, but it does help with personal branding and stuff like that. With dropshipping, you're not the brand. The website is the brand and stuff like that. So essentially, you don't have to show your face and stuff. So that's kind of has nothing to do with customer service, but I want to throw that in there in case you're wondering, do I need to put my face in this and that? Because I know that can put a lot of people off starting to work online. So we have kind of the time, the money, the customer support. There is literally no customer support with affiliate marketing. There is quite a lot of customer support with dropshipping. And I'm going to tell you the truth here. You are going to get complaints, you are going to get refunds, and you are going to have to deal with those accordingly. That's really part of the game with that. The next thing is passive. How passive is dropshipping compared to affiliate marketing? Is dropshipping really truly passive? Because essentially you have to put in a lot of work. And what I mean by passive is one day you want your online business to run sufficiently without you doing much work. So with dropshipping, it's not passive for a long time. You have to put in a lot of work. You have to find a winner. You have to get a team together if you really want it to become passive. So with dropshipping, it does become passive later on, but not super passive. Because you have to have you have to either deal with the customers yourself, run your store yourself, find products yourself, or get a team to do it to become truly passive. With affiliate marketing, it does become very passive in the long run. So, like for example, I have sites right now that I started 2 years ago. They have gone down in revenue quite a bit because I haven't really touched the sites, but they still make money today. I have a video on my YouTube channel, how to create a website, and I actually just got 3 sales from that today, commissions, and sometimes I get 4 or 5 a day. So, and that video was done 2 years ago, right? So affiliate marketing is really super honest, truly passive in the long run. It is really passive, especially if you can get people onto monthly subscriptions for something, for a software, for a product, or anything like that. It becomes really passive. Dropshipping on the other side, on the other hand, yes, it becomes passive, but you really have to build a team for it to become truly passive. So what one's the best, dropshipping or affiliate marketing? In my opinion, if you are just starting online and you have absolutely no idea where you should start, and you're getting flooded with dropshipping videos, I would honestly recommend looking into affiliate marketing because it's not big right now. No one's really jumping on affiliate marketing trends. And essentially you can start for free. There's no excuse. You can go and start a YouTube channel. You can go and start a blog. A lot of people say blogs are dead. Nope, I have 3 blogs now. I actually just started a new one. But the other 2 blogs, both of those blogs do 6 figures per year for me. And one of them I haven't touched in a year and a bit, and one of them I still work on. But blogs and YouTube channels, really passive, and you can start those. Well, the blog will cost you maybe $20-30 a year to run, but a YouTube channel is completely free for you to start. Dropshipping, I would recommend if you have a lot more time, if you have at least $500 plus, but probably more like $1,000 plus to be realistic, to start your dropshipping business. Dropshipping, you don't have to show your face, okay? You don't have to do any of that. However, you have to deal with customer service. Affiliate marketing, you don't have to show your face, but it is better if you do because you create a personal brand. But it depends what kind of affiliate marketing you're going to do. If you're going to do YouTube, then you should it'll help. If you're not going to do YouTube and you're going to go and do a affiliate blog online where you rank in Google, you can use a persona or a pen name, username, so you don't have to show your face, right? So it really depends on what you want to do. And I recommend you stick to one thing, because that's what a lot of people get distracted by. So I have people come into my ecom course, and then a week later they're like, hey Frank, I want to jump into your affiliate course. And I said, no. Try dropshipping first. Then if that that isn't really what you want to do, then jump into the affiliate stuff. Don't try and do both at once. So that's my opinion, guys. It really just comes down to those things. They both make a lot of money, but really, in my opinion, affiliate marketing is better in the long run and better for a beginner. Dropshipping is better if you have the time, and you will make a lot of money if you follow people's guides and you actually put in the time and effort into that. But then if you, let's say 6 months later, you haven't made any money with dropshipping and you've spent thousands of dollars like some people do, honestly, just stop. It's clearly not working for you. Move on to something else. There's so much stuff you can do online. Affiliate marketing, you can sell your information products, you can do consulting, you can build funnels for people, you can build websites for people, you can be a middleman and sell build funnels for people, take the money, and you can pay someone else to build the funnel for you and take a cut. There's so much you can do online, so just don't get stuck on one thing. If something's not working for you 6 months, a year down the track, and you're still feeding money into that, it's a dead business for you. It's not going to work. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Pick what you want to do, time, money, what's more passive for you in the end. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe, like, check out my other videos, and I'll see you guys soon.